Number 5. Cuisinart CDF 200. Large 4-quart capacity, cooks up to 2.3 pounds of food. Large stainless mesh basket with cool touch handle. Removable 1800 watt immersion style heating element. 1 gallon removable enamel coated oil container with pouring spout. Fries, potatoes, onion rings, seafood, chicken, vegetables, donuts. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. Secura 3.2 liter. Large 3.2 liter basket. 60-minute cooking timer. Variable temperature control 180 degrees to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Heating and power indicator lights. 2-year manufacturer's limited warranty. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. Blusmart 1400 watt. Eat healthy, use 70% less fat. All kinds of cooking, frying, grilling, baking and roasting. Simple cleaning, family size deep fryer. Easy to use and clean. With a capacity of 3.4 QT and a compact size. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Tefal FR8000. 1700W power air fryer basket, holds up to 5.3 quarts. Heavy duty design gives you years of use. Smudge resistant exterior for easier cleaning. Temperature range from 180 degrees to 400 degrees and a 60-minute timer. Easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 1. Gourmet GDF 300. Generous 3.7 quart capacity, holds 2.5 pounds of food. Easy yet accurate temperature setting. Integrated 3-in-1 safety lid. Includes spatter guard lid with safe viewing window. Non-skid rubber feet, and automatic safety switch. Please check the description for details and best price.